In this video, I'm going to show you how to do two special antiderivatives. The antiderivative of secant x dx and the antiderivative of cosecant x dx. They use a very similar trick, and at first you're going to look at it and say, what the heck? And then as it goes through the process, you'll say, oh, that's pretty clever. That makes sense. All right. So let's get this out of the way here. All right, well, let's take the antiderivative of secant x dx. And the trick, and like I said, it'll make sense as we go, is to multiply the integrand. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the integral of secant x times secant x plus tangent x divided by secant x plus tangent x dx. You'd say that's weird. Yeah, I get it. It's 1, but why would you do that? Well, let's distribute and then watch what happens here. So we'll have secant squared x plus secant x tangent x. Okay, all over secant x plus tangent x. Now what this allows us to do is some nice substitution. So let's move this out of the way here. If we come in and do a u substitution and we let u equal secant x plus tangent x, then du is going to be secant x tangent x plus secant squared x. Pretty slick, right? So what that allows us to do is go back to our denominator and call all of that, oops, I forgot a dx, dx. Call all of that du. So all of that right there, there should be a dx here too. Come on guys, you gotta call me on this. Gets replaced with du over u. Well, now it's easy. So we've got the natural log, the absolute value of u plus c. And then our final answer is the natural log, the absolute value of secant x plus tangent x plus c. Okay, the other one works very similarly. We'll go through that one here pretty quick. All right, so we're going to take the antiderivative of cosecant x by multiplying it by cosecant x plus cotangent x over cosecant x plus cotangent x, and then dx. Then we're going to distribute. You'll see what's happening here. We're going to end up solving this one by substitution in the same way. So cosecant squared plus cosecant x cotangent x dx all over cosecant x plus cotangent x. Do another substitution. Let u equal cosecant x plus cotangent x. You see where I'm going from here. All right, so it'll be negative cosecant x cotangent x minus cosecant squared x dx. Oh, I say dx and I write du. Okay, is this going to let me erase it? I don't think erasing is going to work right. Oh, good job. I know it doesn't sound like a hard task, but this program doesn't like me. All right, so then we can go in and put a substitution in there. What we're going to have up top is negative du, because you got that negative distributed through there, over u. So that's the negative natural log absolute value of u plus c, or negative natural log absolute value of cosecant x plus cotangent x plus c. Smiley face.